Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I probably broke it. I mean, it breaks everything.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, you're welcome, man. What's going on, buddy?
YouTube Jacob Vile. I do a lot of YouTube videos.
You're Jacob Vile?
Yes, sir.
No way!
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What's up, man?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, man.
That's what's up.
All right, so your name? What's in here, man?
So, damn, I'm pumped. That's awesome, dude.
Yes, sir, man.
I got 6.8 CCA 15s and a 2-to-1 6-cylinder on 2 base 15Ks. But they're at 2.660, man. I'm probably only getting about 12K.
Okay.
I got 160 amp hour Yinlo.
Yep.
It's kind of tucked underneath of there pretty
I see
well.
it. All right.
2 320 amp alternators.
Okay.
Just did it all myself. Sitting in my driveway in the middle of the winter.
All right.
Freezing.
So you got your whole electrical system here, nothing in the back?
Nothing.
So it's built all the way back?
Yeah, it's built all the way back.
Nice.
So I don't know what you would consider, maybe a half a B-pillar, I don't know.
Oh, well, you got room to seat back a little bit too. I like it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna, tear this stuff out and get amps on the side of the box for next year.
Is there a back port?
Yeah, it's a 6-order.
So do you know your tunings on it?
It's supposed to be 36 and 62.
Okay. All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. I like it a lot.
Yeah,
you did a good job. Looks good, man.
I tried. I mean, I'm no woodworker, man. I laid brick. Not
That's all right.
framing.
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go.
All right.
So, about 20 yards.
Go ahead, man. I got you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. You going in? Go for it. This is a crazy low-end monster. That was some crazy lows.
Yeah.
Definitely tuned low.
Yeah, she's tuned pretty low.
Nice job, man. Oh yeah. Definitely tuned low.
Yeah, she's tuned pretty low.
Nice job, man. Be sure to give him a like. Your name?
Caleb.
Caleb. All right, give Caleb a like, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
That was some crazy lows.
Yeah.
Be sure to give him a like. This is a crazy low-end monster.